oil. Okay. Yummy.
Hi guys! Hello mga kapatid! Welcome po sa aking YouTube channel. This time, we're gonna cook chicken inasal. We'll start from preparing the meat first, and I will walk you through down on how I will create my own version of chicken inasal. Okay? If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe at the bottom here. Okay, come on, let's go!
Okay, so syempre hindi mawawala ang chicken natin. Chicken and sal. Here's our ingredients for today. We have rosemary, ginger, garlic, onion, sugar, bit of butter. And we have our lemon juice, our garlic salt, and lemon and pepper seasoning. We have our soy sauce, olive oil, and then we have our soda. You can use Sprite or lemon lime soda, and this is it. So we can prepare and marinate our chicken the way I will cook it later. Alright, thank you. Okay, so na-prepare na natin yung mga ingredients. So next natin ay ihalo natin yung lahat ng ito sa chicken na ating gagawin. So unahin natin yung mga bawang. So usually onion leeks, pero pwede na rin sibuyas. And then itong rosemary na. Tapos sugar. Tapos kung may soda or lemon lime, or for me this is my Fanta orange. Okay. And then of course our soy sauce. Tapos lagyan din natin siya ng lemon pepper. Yan, lagyan natin ng konting butter. Olive oil. Tapos i-mix lang po natin siya. Alright. Okay, so pag nahalo na po natin lahat ng mga nilagay natin na ingredients, i-leave lang po natin siya overnight and then lutuin po natin bukas. Okay, alright. Okay, so we left this one overnight and then time to cook this Mang Inasal. We don't have the grill, so we're just gonna bake this one, right? Okay, so nilagay na natin sa lalagyanan yung chicken and then we're gonna put it on the oven. Preheat the oven for 400 and then we're gonna time it for 45. Minutes. Okay. Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna make the Inasal chicken oil as well. So we have some leftover skins and then we have some yung wet na part as well. Ito yung gagamitin natin sa paggawa ng Inasal or chicken oil, and we have garlic salt and we have some garlic, so let's go. Okay, so we can start with the butter. Then we can put the leftover skins, chicken skin, or yung white part. Lagay natin yung bawang. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe at the bottom here. Okay, so kung titingnan nyo, nagproduce siya ng mga oil. Kasi ito yung part ng manok na nagproduce ng oil. Okay, so hintayin lang natin siyang maluto. Okay. Okay, so tanggalin na natin yung chicken dun sa pan. Okay, so kung titingnan nyo, nag-produce siya ng oil. And then, lalagyan na natin siya ng garlic salt. Garlic salt. Konti lang. Tapos, lalagyan natin ng atsuete or the annatto seed. Paikot-ikutin lang natin para humalo siya. So, magiging ganyan yung itsura niya. Magkakaroon ng kulay yung mantika. Okay? Tapos, patayin na natin. Tapos, ipifilter natin siya. Okay? Okay, so nakita nyo ba yun? Magkakaroon tayo ng pang chicken inasal na sauce or the chicken oil. Alright. Okay, so sinalin ko siya. Tapos gamitin natin siya sa pagbabrush or pagpunas nung sa ibabaw ng chicken skin na in-oven natin mamaya. Okay? Okay, so ang ginawa ko rin yung sauce na ipon din dun sa chicken na habang in-oven natin. Nilagyan ko rin ng atsuete or annatto oil. Tapos ipapahira natin yung chicken natin para magmukha na siyang chicken inasal. Okay? Tapos, pag napahira na natin, ibabalik ulit natin sa oven. Okay? Okay. So, ganyan na yung tsura niya. Tapos, ibabalik natin sa oven for around 3 to 5 minutes. And then, yung gagawin natin 450 para mag-crispy yung balat niya. Okay? Yan o. Mukha na siyang chicken inasal. Okay? Balik natin sa oven for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay. Alright. Yan. 5 minutes natin hintayin na. Okay. And then 450 yung oven. Okay. So meron na tayong chicken inasal. Okay, so meron na tayong chicken Bacolod inasal. Okay ba yun? And then, we're gonna use this one. Or, okay. Okay. Yummy.
Okay, so here we have it. We have our chicken inasal. So if you like my cooking video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and keep on tuning for more upcoming videos. Okay? Thank you mga kapatid. Salamat, salamat, salamat. Bye-bye.